Hey guys, it's Jonah Manzano here. Did you know Snapchat now has the advanced tools where you can now edit in the timeline? I'll show you how it works. Let's go. So first things first, we're gonna open up Snapchat. So from here, you'll be taken on this camera mode. So we're going to pick director mode. So as you can see, there is a director mode. So from here, this is important. You're gonna have to import media. Okay, so we're gonna pick a video of myself. Say, I don't know, maybe this one. So from here, it will actually load up the video and we'll be able to edit the video in the timeline. It may take a while to load up because I've chosen a 47 seconds clip. You're actually, it's like a sort of like a CapCut to it, where you can insert sound, music, voiceover, text. Here we go, it's done. Now preview, press preview. So from here you'll be able to see advanced editing on the left button. Yeah. So we're gonna click this, and this is the new one. Okay, we have edit, caption, drawing, stickers, custom stickers, sticker, sounds, lens, auto caption, voiceover, links, and speed. So a lot of things that you can do here. Obviously, this sticker is not new. It's just it's just the ability to actually edit in your timeline. Say if you want to add sound, so I'm gonna do that. Add sound, and you can see the music is actually has been added in the timeline. If you add a caption, and you can see as well the caption has been added. You can also add links or voiceover or links to any of your accounts. Anyway, cheers, bye.